Welcome to this practice of loving kindness, an ancient meditation that opens the heart, nourishes compassion, and softens our inner and outer worlds. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without interruption. Allow your spine to be long but not tense. Your hands can rest easily. Close your eyes softly if you haven't already. Begin to bring your attention to your breath. Slow, even, natural. Let yourself arrive here fully. Let go of whatever came before this moment and whatever may follow. You are here now, giving yourself the gift of stillness. Take a few deep, steady breaths. Allow each breath to release tension from your body. Allow each breath to release tension from your body. Softening the shoulders, unclenching the jaw, relaxing the muscles of the face. Let yourself feel supported by the ground beneath you. And as you rest here, begin to open your heart to feelings of kindness, warmth, and goodwill. Now, bring your attention gently to yourself. You might picture yourself in your mind's eye, or place a hand over your heart. Silently offer yourself these simple yet powerful wishes. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Repeat these phrases slowly in your mind. Let the meaning of each one settle into your heart. It's okay if you don't feel warmth right away. Just set the intention. Each repetition is a soft invitation for kindness to grow. If any resistance arises, that's perfectly natural. Just notice it gently and return to the phrases. Now bring to mind someone you love dearly, perhaps a friend, a family member, or even a pet. Visualize them smiling or simply imagine their presence. Offer them the same phrases of loving kindness. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Feel the warmth in your heart as you send these wishes. Let your care for them fill you. Let that care become steady, gentle, unconditional. Now allow your awareness to expand outward. Imagine your loving kindness rippling outward to your community, to strangers, and eventually to all beings everywhere. Say silently, may all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease. Let this final offering radiate like warmth from a fire, spacious, boundless, and kind. Begin to return to the feeling of your breath. Notice your body again, where it touches the surface beneath you. Take a deep breath in and slowly breath out. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of loving kindness with you into the rest of your day.